Hi friend, good evening. Today I will show you how you can use this Power Lantern jackpot trade strategy that has trading record of very good profit this year. Till January we have five for 54 trade. Among this 54 trade, there was profitable trade of 34. Net to net, we have gained 2,694 Nifty point. That is around 2,02,110 per lot basis. I will show you how you can do it using this Excel sheet. The details descriptions of this strategy I mentioned in this ebook. You can download this ebook from the descriptions sections. I put the link, you can download. In this ebook I describe the exact strategy, the Power Lantern trading strategy. You should read it. I give the example of trade, how you can enter the data in the Excel sheet, how you will get the trade, and couple of chart example also. That is very valuable information. I will also show you today how we find today's trade based on the data of the last Friday. I will show you exactly what to do. Now, sorry, with this, as we can see that today this system has generated around 4,575 per lot. I will show you exactly what was the trade. The performance till date was, as I mentioned, that almost 63% was the success ratio till date. Among 54 trade, 34 was profitable. The average point loss is 46, whereas average point gain is 106. That gives us a very healthy risk reward ratio. This helps us to overcome a situations where we lose consecutively. I will show you now exactly what to do. For that, I have to open the chart. This is the Nifty Future 15-minute chart, and this Excel sheet we required to trade this strategy. We have to enter the data of first 15 minute, second 15 minute, and last 15-minute data. So to trade today, what we did is that we after the first after the Friday's market close, we entered the data of the first 15-minute high low. So first 15-minute high was 11136 and the low was 11054.85. I entered the first 15-minute data's high low. Now I have to enter the second 15-minute candle high low. The high was 11145 and the low was 11087. Now I have to enter the last 15-minute candle high low. Now as you can understand, we did it after Friday's close. Always we have to enter the data of today to understand the trade opportunity tomorrow. What is the trading plan? As you can see, it is saying is tomorrow is a Power Lantern jackpot opportunity. It is still showing no try next day because I didn't put the all the data. If after putting all the data, if it is come yes, then what we have to do? We have to trade if sell. The trading strategy is mentioned here. If it says yes, then trade on breakout of next day first 15-minute candle. So what is trading breakout on first 15-minute candle? I will show you. It's simply you will wait for first 15-minute to happen and then you will place a buy order above the high of the first 15-minute and you will place a sell order below the low of the first 15-minute candle. Once you put these two order, one of that order will be executed and the rest other order will act as a stop loss, and you will close the trade at 3 p.m. That's the idea. Now let's see whether the value changes or not. So high of the last candle was 11111, very interesting number, and the low is 11083.05. As you can see, once I enter all the data, it is start showing yes. Now when that means it says that is tomorrow is a power lantern jackpot opportunity, it is saying yes. So we have entered the data of 31st July, that means this Friday. As I mentioned that after each day you have to enter the data to check whether there is a jackpot opportunity tomorrow or not. If you find that tomorrow is a jackpot opportunity because it says yes, then what you have to do? Now today after market open, we waited for first 15 minutes and then we placed a sell order below this first 15-minute low. It is around 10974, and we placed a buy order above the high, that is around 11,029. As you can see, our sell order was executed, and this order, the buy order, was pending and acted as stop loss throughout the day. We exited the trade at 3 p.m. So if you see, our entry was around 10975. The low of this candle is 10975 and the high was 11028. So we place a stop loss order at 11028 and we exited the trade at the 3 p.m. close, that is 10,914 kind of level. With this we have gained 61 point today. As you can see, I noted down for you the enter this month, sorry, enter this year performance. This year we had so far 54 trade. Among these 54 trade, 34 was profitable, and I actually personally trade this strategy for years now, and this is one of the part of my trading strategy. And I found that despite a profit and loss, yes, no strategy will always give you profit. But if you trade it consistently, then it has given very good result over several years. Even you can see these years, the performance is very good. Once you have this Excel sheet, I highly recommend you to enter the data of the past, check by yourself day by day whether the trade was correct or not, validate yourself, and then start trading. It's a very stress-free Nifty trading without any analysis using Excel-based system. And you can do it even when you are busy, because no matter how busy you are, it just take 2 minutes of your time exactly at 9:30, 9:40, and you can manage the trade very stress-free way. As I mentioned again, let me show you the ebook. Entire strategy I describe in this ebook. I must appreciate your time so far with me. Thank you so far. Take care. We will meet very soon. Thank you so much.